Hi everyone, so let's continue with the January 2025 CSEC Math Paper 2 and we're on question number 3. So this kind of question hasn't come in a while in CSEC, so it has to do with geometry, more specifically polygons, and also there's a part that involves constructions. So let's do part A. The diagram below shows a regular hexagon LMNOPQ whose side is 8 centimeters. So we have to show that the value of angle PQL is 120 degrees and this is worth 2 marks. So in a regular polygon, there is a theorem that says the sum of the interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90 degrees, where n is the number of sides. So since it's a hexagon, we know n is 6, so therefore we have 2 by 6 take away 4 times 90 degrees. So 2 6s are 12, take away 4 is 8, so we have 8 by 90 degrees, which gives 720 degrees. So therefore, each interior angle now will therefore be the sum of the interior angles divided by the number of sides in the polygon. So therefore, 720 degrees divided by 6 will give 120 degrees. All right, so we've shown that angle PQL is 120. Let's go on to part 2. The vertices of a rectangle WXYZ touch the sides PQ, QL, MN, and NO of the hexagon in part A. ZY and WX are parallel to LM and PO. So I'm going to calculate the value of angle LWX, and this is worth 2 marks. Alright, so LWX, that's this angle here. And we already found from part A that this angle PQL is 120 degrees. Now, let's go back up. They told us that this is a regular hexagon and the side of the hexagon is 8 centimeters. Alright, so all these sides, LQ, QP, PO, ON, NM, and NL, they are all 8 centimeters. All right, so if we just look at this part here, and they told us that the vertices of the rectangle touch the sides of the hexagon like this, then we can say that this side, LQ, which would be 8 centimeters, this point W would actually cut the side in half. So it means that this triangle WQZ is isosceles. Alright, so therefore if this is isosceles, then these two base angles in this triangle would therefore be equal. So 180 take away 120 is 60 divided by 2 is 30. So each of these angles here is 30 degrees. And since we know at W, of course, this is a rectangle, so therefore we would have a right angle here. So this is 90 degrees. And since this is a straight line, a straight angle, then this is 90 and 30 is 120. And if we take 120 away from 180, we get 60 degrees. Okay, so therefore angle LWX is equal to 60 degrees. So we'll just have to write an explanation to show how we got our answer. So first we said that triangle WQZ is isosceles. Therefore, angle QWZ is equal to 180 minus 120 divided by 2, which is 30 degrees. And Then finally, angle LWX will be therefore equal to 180 take away 90 plus 30, which would therefore give 60 degrees.